Gemiini is an incredibly effective tool for delivering individualized instruction. Part of what makes it so effective is the ability to customize assignments for each student's unique goals. In this video, you will see an example of how the Gemiini Video Builder can be used to create personalized video assignments targeting multiple goals from a student's individualized education plan. The Video Builder gives you access to the entire clip library. With the content in the library, you can create assignments that target several goals at once. Let's walk through each step in creating a custom video assignment from scratch for a sample student, Jane, whose IEP includes the following goals. Jane will follow 12 one-step classroom directions and repeat the direction verbally using 2 to 3 word phrases relating to the directions. Jane will demonstrate improved pragmatic skills by commenting about things that she can see and hear using visual sentence strips. During group instruction, Jane will answer 5 new personal preference questions such as what is your name and when is your birthday. Throughout the classroom day, in order to increase joint attention and imitation skills, Jane will respond appropriately to verbal and modeling prompts during songs at circle time, such as Slippery Fish, Head, Shoulders, Knees, and Toes, and Itsy Bitsy Spider. I can use videos from the clip library to create a unique video assignment that will support the instruction I am giving Jane in each of these areas. To create a custom assignment from scratch, navigate to My Videos, then select Build New Video, Complete Library Access. We'll start with the first goal listed. I see Jane is working on following classroom directions and repeating them verbally. I know there are many clips in the library that model following classroom directions. I can search for a command the student is working on, or I can use the categories in the sidebar to the left to browse clips by subject. I know there are dozens of clips modeling simple directions under Skills, Behavioral. I can browse the results in this category, or I can use the search bar to look for a specific command. For this example, Jane may be learning to follow the direction, raise your hand. Clips in the Teaching Simple Commands format use peer modeling to teach following each direction in different environments. I can preview the clip to make sure it is in sync with Jane's goal before adding it to the assignment.
Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand.
Triangle, circle. Triangle, circle. What shape comes next?
I know.
Oh, raise your hand. Thank you for raising your hand. Tell us what shape comes next.
Triangle.
Great job!
I need help.
Raise your hand, please. Nice job raising your hand. How can I help? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm thirsty.
Raise your hand. Thank you for being polite. What do you need?
This clip supports the goal. It models how to correctly follow the classroom direction to raise your hand. The mid-shot and close-up clips of the phrase will help Jane learn to verbally repeat the direction. Select Add to add a clip to the assignment. I want to include one more clip related to this goal. Jane may also be learning to follow the direction Eyes on Me. Now let's add clips teaching Jane's next goal. Jane is working on commenting on things she can see and hear using visual sentence strips. The Gemiini library includes several clips that model carrier phrases, including I see and I hear. These clips provide a great pragmatic model for students who are learning to put sentences together using visual sentence strips. Carrier phrases are located in spoken language, conversational, encouraging conversations, carrier phrases. I can limit my results to clips with I see in the title by typing the phrase into the search bar. We have a lot of clips teaching this carrier phrase. To see more clips on the same page, select the Clips per Page dropdown and choose a larger number. To change the order of your search results, choose a different option from the Sort By menu. A through Z sorts clips alphabetically, and a Date Created sorts clips by the date they were added to the library. Some of the clips in our results model using I see to comment on multiple images that appear in a sequence. The images shown in the video are listed in the clip title.
I see. I see. What do you see?
I see a ball. I see a dog. I see a spoon. I see cookies. I see a truck.
Nice job. I see.
This clip is great for Jane, so I'm going to add it to her assignment. We have clips in a similar format that model the carrier phrase, I hear. In these clips, before showing an image of an object, a sound effect plays, and the actor labels the sound with the carrier phrase, I hear. Jane's next goal is to answer 5 personal preference questions, such as what is your name and when is your birthday. For this goal, we've used a phone to record our own videos of instances when the student correctly answered the questions we'd like her to master, and I've used Gemini's Custom Clips feature to upload these personal recordings to my Custom Clips library. See clips you have uploaded by selecting Custom Clips under the My Clips section of the sidebar.
What is your name?
Jane Compo.
Students can be effective models of the skills they are practicing, and many enjoy participating in the video creation process. I've uploaded custom clips where this student answers the questions what is your name, when is your birthday, and what is your phone number. I can use other Gemini clips to create customized visual support for these personal recordings. Watch how I use Gemini's number image generalizations to create a visual sequence showing Jane's phone number on the screen. I'll start by searching for one of the digits in her phone number. Select Starts With from the drop-down menu to limit your results to clips with titles that begin with the searched text. For this part of the video, I want to use generalization clips. These clips will show just the number on the screen without playing the mid-shot and close-up. I can see generalization clips in my results by checking the box next to generalization under the clip type filter in the sidebar. For generalizations that show just the number on the screen, look for clips with number image only in the title.
5.
Now I need to locate clips teaching the other digits in Jane's phone number. I need a 1, a 3, a 7, and a 2. I can duplicate and rearrange these clips to have them play in the order of Jane's phone number. Scroll to the bottom of the screen to see the clips you have added. Select Duplicate to make a copy of a clip. Jane's phone number has 3 5s. I can click and drag clips to rearrange them so they play back in the sequence of Jane's phone number. Jane's final goal is to increase joint attention and imitation skills by responding appropriately to verbal and modeling prompts during songs at circle time. For this goal, I'm going to use clips from Gemini's extensive motor imitation category. These clips are located under verbal behavior, imitation, motor imitation. I'm going to search for specific actions Jane is practicing imitating, like hands on head. In choosing clips for this goal, I'm thinking about how the student is likely to be practicing imitation skills at a table during one-to-one time. To have the setting of the video align with the setting of the one-to-one practice, I want to use clips where the peer model is also sitting at a table.
Shauna, follow me. Good, again. Very good.
This clip is great for Jane. I want to add 2 more clips in this format. Maybe she is practicing opening and closing her hand, and then pointing up. In this goal, I noticed the Itsy Bitsy Spider listed as an example of a song used in circle time. I know there is an Itsy Bitsy Spider sing-along in our library. This clip would be a great way to wrap up the assignment. Lastly, I'm going to add clips from the humor and motivational category. Humor clips are short, entertaining videos that we use to break up video assignments to help students stay engaged. Humor clips are not always necessary if your students already engage with Gemini, but they can be a great way to improve attending during longer video assignments. You can choose recordings relevant to the objectives of the assignment, or you can simply choose clips related to subjects a student is interested in. I'm going to use the first 2 animals clips, and then 2 silly clips of a student pointing to his eyes and his ears. When you have finished adding clips, arrange them into the desired sequence. I'm going to group relevant subjects together and move the humor clips to play every minute or so. Give your assignment a title. Select Save and Assign to send the new assignment directly to a student's assignments page. Select the student you would like to assign the video to, and change the number of assigned repetitions. When you assign a video, it will appear in that student's assignments page. The more you use Gemini, the faster and easier it becomes to create these custom videos. All assignments you create are saved to your personal video library, so you can quickly assign or edit them in the future. In this slide, you can see how the clips we have chosen align with the goals selected from Jane's IEP. The Teaching Simple Commands clips align with Jane's goal to learn to follow and repeat classroom directions. The I hear and I see clips support her goal to use sentences to comment on things she can see and hear. Our custom clips and the number sequence support her goal to be able to answer new personal preference questions. And the imitation and sing-along clips align with her goal to increase joint attention and imitation skills during songs at circle time. As you can see, Gemini's customization ability is truly unique. With our extensive and varied clip library, you can create unique assignments targeting any combination of learning objectives. Individualizing assignments this way makes Gemini a powerful and adaptable tool for one-to-one instruction.